Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail art tutorial, Hannah will be sharing 10 cute and fun nail art designs that are easy to create. You won't need any special tools for these nail designs, just household items. Let us know down in the comments which of these designs is your favorite. And now, let's get started!
Hi, it's Hannah, and I'm really excited to share these designs with you. So before anything else, make sure to apply a base coat to help protect your nails. The first design is a half chrome look. Use a white polish for your base color. Then cut a piece of painter's tape or scotch tape and place it diagonally onto the nail. Apply a chrome polish over the one side and then peel off the tape. If needed, clean up any excess with a brush or Q-tip and polish remover. Next up, we have some color block polka dots. Start off by applying a turquoise polish for the base color. Now apply a hot pink polish to half of the nail once the turquoise polish has dried. Use a toothpick and black polish to apply small polka dots onto the entire nail. Now we have a music note design. First, apply a white base color. Then use a black polish and thin paintbrush to create stripes at the tip of the nail. If you don't have any small paintbrushes around the house, you can easily find them at places like Walmart or Target. Now I'm going to go back over with the white polish to even and thin out the lines. Use a toothpick to apply 2 circles to the nail. Then draw a line coming from the one circle. And connect to the other circle for the music note. For the fourth design, we have some easy confetti nails. Apply a white polish for the base color. Then, with a purple polish and bobby pin, apply different size dots onto the nail. Do the same thing as before, but with a teal polish. Use a metallic gold polish to fill in the rest of the space. You can also use a toothpick to get into the smaller spaces. This design is for a cobalt swirl. First, apply 1 layer of a cobalt blue polish. You want to have a pretty pointy tip to your toothpick, so I like to carefully sharpen mine a little by using some scissors. Now apply a second layer of polish and some spots of white. Use a toothpick to swirl the colors together. Next is an ombre color block design. Use a light purple polish for your base color. Then apply a piece of painter's tape or scotch tape across your nail. Apply a darker purple polish to the nail and remove the tape. Now apply the darkest purple to the tip of the nail. Now we have a cat doodle design. Apply a white polish for the base color. Now use some black acrylic paint and a toothpick to first create the ears and the top of the head. Apply 2 dots for the eyes and 1 for the nose. Then add some whiskers. Draw a couple circles above the head and then a larger thought bubble. And then add a fish doodle within the thought bubble. For the 8th design, we have a chrome splatter look. Use a black polish for your base color. Then apply 1 layer of a matte top coat. Take a straw and dip it into the chrome polish, then blow through the straw to make the splatter effect onto the nail. You may also want to add some liquid latex around the nail, which I clearly forgot. Now just clean up around the nail if needed. This design is for some easy watercolor nails. Use white polish for the base color. Then add 1 layer of a fast drying top coat. First, add some pink to the nail. Then some turquoise and then yellow. Take a paintbrush dipped in 100% acetone or polished thinner and carefully dab and swirl the polish before it dries. Don't press down too hard so you won't ruin the base color. And last but not least, we have a simple geometric design. Apply a light pink polish for the base color. Then use black acrylic paint and a toothpick to draw a line across the nail and fill in the top part. Then draw a line down the side of the nail and fill in the one side. Finally, apply a fast drying top coat to help protect your design and add a beautiful shine. And of course, you would skip the glossy top coat on the matte design. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to let us know which ones are your favorite. If you'd like to see more videos on CutePolish, click these boxes and click this circle here to subscribe to CutePolish for a new video every week. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click this circle here. Thanks for watching!